Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri. Ulaong baka BJP kaladawa banthong ya kekenhun Tohkit halor ka Bamsap haki artli ki District Council kata ka GHADC bat ka GHADC bat na kaliang ka Sorkar Jilla kalathong ya ka Local Audit ban Tohkit halor ka ni ka Bamsap bat ban pha ya ka Kaiphod syakatana DCA jong ka Sorkar Jilla Henry hadu menta kempat yo jeng tep AA halor ka ni Shushu na kaliang uba Mauri ulaong balada ka tanat local audit kamla ban aya ka Kaiphod sya ka Sorkar kidai ban Aiti no ha ka CBI ban Tohkit halor kani. Ula ban rabru da ka baong baka BJP kadawa bantung da ka CBI habaya dai bat kani ka Bamsap ha kini ki District Council.
Yeah, we are very concerned about that because we are the one who has taken up this matter of corruption in both the District Council, that is in Karol's District Council and Janjel's and District Council. So we have pressed the government for inquiry, where the government has appointed the local audit to do the inquiry. I have seen in the last month, I think, in some of the press that they have quoted that they will place this inquiry report immediately to the government, to the Department of DCA. But till today, they have not done. So it is very unfortunate, and from the party, I think we are going to pursue again the government. If this local audit, they cannot complete the inquiry, let us go for independent inquiry. That is CBI. So it will be clean.
So you will be writing the BI inquiry?
I'm calling the state office bearer meeting and discuss again for this matter. Definitely we have to do something if they delay on to submit the report.